What's up, family? We down 2% today. 66.57. XRP trying to run, huh? Above 250, 254, 6, 255. We up 8% on it. And we bought today. I missed the 12th. That's my daughter's birthday, but I bought on the 11th. I bought $12, and I really only wanted $5, so they kind of make up for the 12th. And then we bought another $5 today. And then same difference on Bitcoin. Let me see. I forgot to buy yesterday, but then I turned around and bought $10 today, and I bought 5 on the 11th. So we even it out. We just gotta keep buying this thing, y'all. Don't forget though. Don't forget. Even if you got a lot going on, remember. Let me see. We up 15, almost 15.5% on Bitcoin. We up to 0.0092. Okay, we almost at that million satoshis on that. We're looking at Misty. It's at 24.85. We got 130 shares, and we down 21%. Man, dollar cost average 31.53. And I went and bought something today, y'all. I had sold a few things, and today, the 13th, I bought 10 shares for like $244 or something, $245 is what that was. But I got 130 shares now. That brought my dollar cost average down a little bit, but we want that at under $25. This is a hell of a buy. You know what I'm saying? The lower we can dollar cost average that thing, and then when it come back, we just stay up on that thing, even with the dividend, everything. Just keep bringing it down. And we got to share NVIDIA. I sold some of this. I had to go take advantage of this, and then when it pay me, we're going to put some more money in there. But eventually, I'm going to start buying a share of NVIDIA every time Misty pay me too. Right? That way we can add to our positions that we building up Misty with. Right? We dollar cost averaging low, because look at my dollar cost average 118 on NVIDIA. I'm up 14%, but I sold a few of them off to put back into the Misty so we can continue to build the income so I can buy me a share every time I get paid. So I can get NVIDIA back like it's nothing. I just keep putting the profits into Misty. Not putting more money from my pocket, but the money I'm putting from my pocket, I'm putting into Bitcoin and XRP, y'all. You feel what I'm saying? And then I'm letting Misty buy my shares of NVIDIA, right? And then if I'm profiting on NVIDIA like I want to, I'm going to be taking profits and putting in the Misty as I need it. As it drops down a little more, just to bring my dollar cost average down, and then when it starts to come back, we're only down 20%, and then it'll pay us another dividend and another one, and we just keeping that dollar cost average low on this one, close to 30, 29, somewhere off in there where we not down too much, but if it do fall, we ain't tripping. Alright, so this is just the update. Showing y'all what's going on with the challenges, and we pushing, y'all. We on our way to 1,000 XRPs, and we on our way to 0.01. That's a million satoshis, y'all, of Bitcoin. And then Misty, we want to get to where we making like $800 a month. Misty, that'll put us about a year or two in the game. If we can get that this year to where it's paying us at least $750, that'll be good, to where we can put a whole bunch of that back into other shares. You feel me? And keep adding to the Misty, right? But now Misty buying our shares, so if anything happened to Misty, we would have bought shares and built our positions at the same time, family. But we're going to flip it. We're going to always put the dividends back into Misty. But when we get it to a certain level, family, now we want to start to buy our other positions. Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, Meta, all of these other stocks that you want to buy because you have enough money coming every month that will help you bond. I love y'all. Peace.